Hey guys, behind us is the Honda Talon. If you're anything like me, you've been anticipating this vehicle coming out. It's a paddle shifter, automatic, what you like. And the reason why I'm excited is I'm sure you're all excited. It's a Honda. Like, you really can't go wrong with a Honda. And so we were super excited to get our hands on this thing. As you can see from behind us, you know, we built our standard dual kit, but we spent a lot of time to make sure this kit fit right and had that same fit and finish that the entire Honda has itself. It's got a good sound. This thing is not loud, but it's got an aggressive tone, so when you step on it, you feel it. I mean, we're really giving this thing an awesome voice. And then really to set it off, we got black ceramic coated intercooled tips. They're not gonna discolor, they're not gonna chip. And we have a nice beauty plate down the back, stainless steel with an aluminum mesh. It really just completes the whole package. We designed this exhaust to not only give you power and performance and sound, but it gives you the look too. I believe you guys will love the look. Let me know what you think, but you really gotta check this thing out. Check our website out. The kit's, you know, priced well. It's everywhere. You'll see it in the Honda booth. You'll see it here. It's got no packing in it too, so that sound you get in the beginning, it's going to stay. So guys, enjoy. Let us know what you think. We're excited. Honda, I think, did a great job. All right, guys, we've heard you, and we already knew. Our dual kit on a non-turbo can be aggressive, right? I mean, I love mine in the dunes, but you're right. When we get to Arizona, we get to the desert, and we're running for long periods of time, it can be a bit aggressive. So we've re-engineered it, and we got a quiet kit. There's still no packing. It's still a solid construction. Same exact kit. The only change are things you can't see, and it's inside. It's got a nice, solid sound, not aggressive. Listen to it, call us, talk about it. We've got videos of it. Guys, we want your feedback because it's probably at least 20% quieter than our existing kit. I mean, I can't say, I'm having a tough time choosing between which one that I want, but it's quieter, guys. We call it our quiet kit. Call us up, check it out online, hit us up. We've got it still guaranteed for life and available on our website and through all of our dealers.